How to get the metallic effect on Canva. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I am going to show you how you can get the metallic effect on Canva. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Canva on your device. So if you have already done so, then you can simply open your Canva application. After opening it, just choose a text, and after choosing a text you can go to the section where you can see many options for the fonts right there. Now to choose the font, you need to choose for the metallic font there. Just see what looks more like metallic font here, and you can see many options right here actually. So just choose your favorite one that looks more like metallic. So after you choose for your favorite metallic option, if you find it here, now you can just tap on the display option. When you tap on the display option, you can see how it will be displayed. Just tap on this very option, and after you do this, you need to fill this one right here. So you can see the metallic options here as well. So you can see it. You just need to have some colors that is more visible on it. So after choosing the proper color and choosing the metallic effect from the font style, you can simply make it transparent or non-transparent as much as you want. Just tap on the effect option as well. Tap on this very spile option, and just like this, tap on the very shape option. You can also make it curve, and you can see the metallic option is applied. You can also make more effects as much as you want to. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.